This is the 15 days training, and this is the learning process. So maybe and our city also has very less resources, but here UAS is supporting in the legal interventions, then church is supporting something, they are supporting something, and this is the people's money, and the funding agency is only the post office. So we will talk with the post office, what they are working with our peoples, because this is the commitments from the peoples of Europe, citizens of Europe for us. So, but for that we need very, very good analytical reports, very, very good analytical reports. Maybe what the ICRC is working on their internal observations to this in this analysis also, without putting their name. So first to come together, work, again we will sit, and I have this idea, because learning from doing is better than, if we want to do the friendship, we want to make alliance, this is very important to start from common minimum, and then we will develop our collaborations and the relations in the future.
And first let me say a few lines about ourselves. MASOM is a very small organization and working mainly in West Bengal, and for a couple of years. And we are mainly activist organization. Recently we got registration. We don't have any FCRA, we don't have any this income tax exemption, all this 10G, 12G. I think that what we are doing, it should be done more systematically, and that's why some specific planning, specific plan of action, some systematic work is needed. And thankful to our city that they put something which is new. And in this occasion, I want to say, as Lenin and other friends from our city, they have put their proposal or planning. Till now, I could not follow the one word that closing the story. Practically, opening the story I can understand, but closing the story I could not follow till now. And even if after closing, how this follow-up and everything will go on. This is maybe some technical point which I have to understood much more clear way. And also the same statement or this therapy, if it can be that particular therapy, particular manner, if it is for medical purpose, that cannot be totally used for legal way. So I think there must be some difference of statement, testimony. So we have to, because Dr. Inger yesterday put one point on testimonial therapy, that this testimony will go on as legal way, as public way or official way. So how a particular line by line statement or testimony can help in legal way, maybe it contravene with legal and medical. So it is my apprehension. Now I will tell you another thing. Most of you, I think, came from abroad. They are not aware, but all the friends in panel and many in the room, they are aware that we are running one hospital, not MASOM directly, but we all are involved. And in that hospital committee, many.
As I said yesterday, I am here representing an office, and I am mandated to participate in this discussion with a limited mandate rather, because I am not the executive head, but on a policy level, being the chairperson, I have been mandated to enter into any discussion that would be